Good morning, people, guys. Oh boy, do we got some good looking setups here today, guys. So as y'all know, I've covered in every video as of late, we got a daily squeeze here in ES. And if you look at yesterday, guys, we came right towards the top of those Bollinger Bands. We did not break out. However, the market's up 4% yesterday. It ran out of gas. So we're still looking to see if this daily squeeze is going to fire this week. And if we look at this morning, guys, on the index here, we actually, get out of here, we got a squeeze on the hourly chart. So, if this squeeze fires to the downside on the hourly time frame, we could see a bit of a fade today. If this hourly squeeze, guys, to the index here can fire to the upside, that daily squeeze is going to fire. We're likely to see some serious momentum. So, with that being said, guys, we do a scan here this morning, and we got a boatload of beautiful hourly squeezes here. Microsoft, Facebook, Nvidia, AMD, a couple of others, right? So before I jump into those, guys, here are the positions I have at the moment. All right, so I am swing trading this Netflix daily squeeze, looking for that momentum to continue, looking for a move above 460. And if you look at the hourly chart here for Netflix, guys, we got an hourly squeeze going into this morning. I told y'all we got some beauties today, some beauties. So we got a squeeze on the bigger time frame on the daily, and now here, guys, on the underlying time frame on the hourly, we also have a fresh squeeze. So just like the market, if the squeeze fires to the upside today on the hourly chart, while it's a good intraday move, it's also a bigger picture move as that daily squeeze is going to fire as well. So Netflix, guys, is looking prime for a big move here, and it's most likely going to happen, especially if the market can fire that squeeze to the upside. So we're identifying the squeeze in the market. We're identifying squeezes in leading names. That tends to be, guys, a really good recipe for success. So I am swinging Netflix, and I am also swinging, guys, Amazon here. Same deal. Beautiful daily squeeze. You had a big time pre-earnings run, bunch of chop. Now we're squeezing. So I got a put credit spread, guys, on both Netflix and Amazon. I'm not trading options naked, so I got put credit spreads on those bad boys. And, between the two of them, max profit is about $3,000. So I got some decent capital in those two trades, guys, but it's my favorite setup. It's my go-to setup, and that's where I want to be putting my risk. So we got Amazon not in an hourly squeeze, but as you guys saw, my favorite day trade setup is an hourly squeeze. So this morning, guys, we have got Netflix. We have got a beautiful hourly squeeze here forming in Facebook. We have got a beautiful hourly squeeze forming in Microsoft. We have got another good looking squeeze, guys, setting up here in AMD. Now what I like about these squeezes is that, we're seeing the common picture here. Previous strength, consolidation, getting ready for that next big move. Microsoft. Previous strength, consolidation, getting ready for that next big move. Facebook. Previous strength, consolidation, getting ready for that next big move. And of course, guys, Netflix is the same deal over here. Get some momentum, you tighten up, you quiet down, you consolidate. So we got all these squeezes, guys. So today is really going to be pretty simple and straightforward as far as, potential day trades. As goes the market, goes the stocks, guys. We want to keep an eye on this hourly squeeze here for the index. Now, if this can fire to the upside and we can get that rip through 2960, 2965, that, guys, there's going to be a big probability that Amazon and Netflix and AMD and Facebook and Microsoft and all these good looking hourly squeezes are going to fire to the upside. Now, of course, if this hourly squeeze on the index ultimately fires to the downside, probably going to bring those hourly squeezes in Netflix and others along with it. So that's the focus today, guys. We got about an hour and a half out until the open, and I wish you the best of luck today. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys in the Focus Trades family soon. So until the next morning video, stay safe out there.